Kaça olarak geliyor? Biz iniyor muyuz? Ne oluyor ki? Nasıl üstüne çıkıyoruz? Bizim uçak kalktı gitti ki.
Hayır.
Kaçta kalkıyor?
Burada kalıyor. 10 kala.
8'e.
9'a.
Ha?
9'a 10 kala.
Biz erken mi yani?
Hiç yorum yapmayın abi. Don't worry about it. It's okay. Her şey çok güzel olacak.
Şey olmazsa
Her şey
yani
çok
başka
güzel olacak.
uçağa kimden girip konuşacağız orada?
Her şey çok güzel
Bunlar da
olacak.
yardım edebilir.
Her şey çok güzel olacak.
Yazıyor mu? Hangi CLT indiğimizi?
Her şey çok güzel olacak. I can see the little skyline of Charlotte.
Ha?
The skyline of Charlotte over there. Camın ortasında en ufuğa doğru.
Su kenarında mıyız şimdi? Nedir o, göl mü?
It's a body of water. It could be like Chesapeake Bay.
gentlemen, welcome to Charlotte. It's 25 to 9. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. This will be your only indication that it is safe to get up and move about the cabin. Please be mindful when opening the overhead bins as items may have moved during flight, and keep the aisleways clear of any and all luggage.
Finish this. Because
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for your information, we are arriving at gate B for Bravo
make an
number
attempt
7.
to leave this first.
And I'm going to ask for the help and a favour from everybody on board this evening. Because we're late, if anybody's departure is either after 9:30 p.m. or is delayed until after 9:30 p.m., please just remain seated for a couple of minutes. We have some passengers dotted all over the aircraft whose flights depart before 9:30. So if those passengers leaving late, just remain seated. It's only going to take 2 minutes to get everybody off, and then at least those passengers are going to have a fighting chance to get to their next flight. If you're looking on the AA app, you will see a lot of the regional flights that depart out of the E-gates have already been delayed. So please check your departure times. And we wish you then the best of luck getting to your next flight.
Thank you.
Did you anlamadım ki?
And to those passengers who have luggage checked as far as Charlotte, it may be reclaimed from baggage claim number 3. And finally, on behalf of your entire Miami based in-flight crew, American Airlines and our One-World partners, thank you for flying with us this evening. We do wish you a very safe and pleasant onward journey. Now, for those passengers who are departing before 9:30, please do not unbuckle your seatbelt, do not get up, do not stop and open the overhead bins until the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign.
Otherwise,
9:30'de diyor. Anlamadım.
her şey çok güzel olacak.
Anlıyorum ama sen
Okay, 8:39 is our thing. Gate C11.
C11 and the,
Which gate are we coming in?
B7.
Bravo 7?
Bravo 7.
Okay. So,
long way to go.
what? Hayır
Ya
Allah'ım
şunu
ya.
bırak da konuşalım ya.
Konuşalım.
Ladies and gentlemen, just a quick update for those passengers who are connecting out to Los Angeles this evening. Your flight has now been delayed until 9:10. It departs from B for Bravo number 3, so you should be able to make it.
What about the connecting flight to ILM?
That's not until 10 to 11.
No. We're talking the one 8 boards at 8:39 p.m.
Don't have info for that. It looks like you've just been rebooked onto the 11 p.m. departure.
You sure?
Yeah.
11 p.m.'de kalkacak bizim uçak.
Mr. Brent, no?
I am Mr. Brent.
Yeah. You're now on the 10:56 departure.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Kaçtı mı?
We're departing at 11 p.m. 10:56. They did it automatically. They just basically rebooked us there automatically, yes?
Yeah. That's what it looks like, sir.
Thank you, sir. Most helpful.
Mention my name too.
No, but do you think they're going to leave you behind? That applies for all the other passengers that was in the same flight as me, right?
I don't know that, sir. I'm just looking at your reservation by your seat number.
Okay, now you can look up seat 1 Bravo as well, please.
Yeah, that's done already.
He's good?
Yeah.
Yes.
You're on the same flight.
Okay, good.
Okay. But he's in the cargo department, right? There you go.
Finish.
İşte o CD var abi.
Türkçe bir laf vardı. İş arasında sıkış olmaz.
I'm recording. Watch your language. Aklınız hep uçkurunuzda galiba. Ben Hasan'la I have to tell you a story in a minute.
Sen orada havaya bakıyorsun. Ben burada kızın bacaklarını seyrederek de geliyorum aşağıya.
O çok çirkin.
Oh iyi, rahat, iyi. Uçağımız var. Her şey güzel olacak.
Her şey güzel olacak mı? Okey oldu o zaman.
İngilizceye başladığımız ve indoktrine olduğumuz için bizim sınıftan 2 kişi Darüşşafaka'nın kolej olması için büyük emek verdi. Onlar Erhan Yücel ve Ülke Ülgür.
With all the construction in this airport, I mean, they have ways of taxing us there. We gotta go loop around the long way, so
Acele etmemize lüzum yok.
forward like number 3
Bir
block
şey
traffic.
alacağım. Sen yanımıza yürüyeceksin ben geldikçe.
Pazartesi günü sen gelince Salı günü sattık. Lexus'ı tamirciye geri götürebilir miyiz diyor.
Kızların personalitesi sana mı yakın, hanıma mı?
Hybrid.
Ha? Ne oluyor bunları alıyorsun, çekiyorsun?
Not yet.
Ha?
Bir kere yaptım.
Flight attendants prepare for arrival. Please stand by for your call. Once again, ladies and gentlemen,